In homes over 10,000 square feet, natural light becomes essential to how the home is experienced. Without thoughtful daylight planning, large spaces can feel distant, flat, or disconnected from daily life. When light is designed intentionally, it brings warmth and orientation, helping expansive homes feel grounded, livable, and inviting. Using light to create human scale. In very large homes, natural light helps define scale. By introducing light at multiple points, through courtyards, double-height spaces, and carefully placed openings, the home begins to break down into a series of connected, comfortable environments. Rather than one continuous volume, light helps create moments of intimacy within a larger architectural composition, guiding light deep into the home. In large modern homes, daylight sometimes has to travel farther. Strategic window placement, clerestory windows, and layered ceiling heights allow light to move through the home instead of stopping at the exterior walls. This approach ensures that even interior rooms feel connected to the day, not reliant solely on artificial lighting, balancing light, comfort, and performance. In homes of this scale, natural light must be balanced carefully to avoid glare, overheating, or visual fatigue. Thoughtful orientation, overhangs, and high-performance window glazing allows sunlight to enter generously while maintaining comfort throughout the day. The result is a home that feels bright but not overwhelming. Light as a wayfinding tool. In large homes, natural light also provides orientation. It helps guide movement, highlight key circulation paths, and intuitively connect one space to the next. When light is used this way, a home of significant size feels easy to navigate, clear, calm, and cohesive. In large modern homes, natural light does more than illuminate. It creates scale, rhythm, and connection, helping expansive spaces feel human, warm, and comfortable to live in. When designed with intention, light becomes one of the most powerful tools for shaping how a home is experienced every day. If you're thinking about how natural light could shape your dream home, we'd love to talk to you about the possibilities. Reach out through our contact page to start a conversation. For more inspiration and guidance on modern home design, visit our Learning Center, where we have tons of helpful articles and videos. And if this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss anything from the residential architects. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.